Good evening and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today I'm going to discuss CORT Therapeutics. Recently my wife handed me this slip of paper saying that she's interested in these pharmaceutical companies. My wife is a Chinese doctor that's not practicing in America. She'd have to go back to medical school. So she's taking an interest in investing in things that she knows. She handed me a slip with CRISPR, Lexicon, Forte, JAUS, and CORT. I've already produced videos on CRISPR, Lexicon, and JAUS. I may skip Forte because it's not one that I think I want to invest in. And the last one I want to do is CORT Therapeutics. Basically, the company develops patented medicines to relieve symptoms in various different diseases. This is their website. And basically, it's developing medications to relieve people from the various symptoms from different diseases. It's developing therapies for people that are not getting the proper drugs. It's a state-of-the-art company. The company does a lot of research and holds a lot of patents. And they have several medicines in the pipeline. Basically, they're a research and development company for medicine. From September, it went from 14 to actually 12, 13, and nearly doubled to over 30. Currently at 28. It's been on a tear. Steady upward. Currently trading at $28. The target price is 27. Trading at 28. That's not good. It has a PE of 31. That means it is profitable. It is a profitable company. It's only one of the four that I analyzed. It has some book value as well. The analyst recommendation is a hold or a buy. 2.5 is right in the middle. And it reported earnings February 8th. A fair market value calculated several different ways. One of the ways is $32. And another way, the original way, in Graham's book, was 43. So this company does have some value in it. I like that. It's trading below the 20 SMA. It's trading above the 50 and above the 200. That's normally a very positive thing. So far, so good. There hasn't been any upgrades or downgrades recently, according to FinViz. It's also listed in the article, 15 Best Small Cap Healthcare Stocks to Buy. This article was distributed yesterday. I have a Google Sheets watch list of 170 plus stocks, of which I have categorized according to the sector it's in, like China, tech, 5G, healthcare. These are my healthcare stocks. Here's CORT Therapeutics. It has a win rate of 83% according to the RSI. What I did was I backtested each symbol according to the indicators that I use most, which are MACD and RSI. This is the RSI. There was 12 trades and 10 of them were winners, resulting in a $238 profit for the year since January 1st of 2020. Now let's take a look at the MACD indicator. Since we've seen the stock was trending steadily up, sometimes the MACD works better for a stock that's been trending upward for a long time. And it's got a 75%. This is quite good. I like this. There was 4 trades over the year to supplement the RSI because I use both indicators. And 3 of them were winners. And the average time that was held, it was 3 or 4 bars. I like it. Let's take a look at the chart. Looking at the zigzag indicator, we see some nice long transitions. I like that. We have some buys here and a couple wins, but there is a loss there. And then we have some shorts here and a couple wins. Like that. But you see, there's nothing here. And we could have took an MACD single right there. It's trading above, it's 50 and 200. That means positive trend. I like this at 28. I like it at 25. Let's take a look at the MACD and see where our singles are there. Switching to the MACD, we have a buy here and a win. And we could have stayed in that trade till there. We have this MACD there, but it occurred before and my formula says it has to be above the 50, and it's not. So it missed that trade. Maybe this is an area where I need to look at. Buy here and win there. So I'm very pleased with using this stock and using either the MACD or the RSI. Looks to be very good. Again, I'm looking to buy at around 25, 26. This is something I'm very interested in. I just started using tip ranks, and they list it as a moderate buy, and the average price is at $33.50. I'm going to be on the cheap side and said 25, 26, but they're showing there's not much fluctuation here. So I don't know. Maybe I'm being too cheap. Again, tip ranks says this stock will outperform. So it's definitely a buy. I just buying at the right price. Bloggers, retail, are very bullish on this, but the hedge funds have started to go out. You really can't tell much about insider activities based on this chart and this data, but sentiment is very positive, and so am I. News sentiment is neutral. That means nothing's on the horizon. And they say the technicals are very positive, and that's basically because it's trading above the 50 and the 200 MA. I definitely like CORT. So, after analyzing these 4 stocks and skipping Forte, which I didn't like the technicals on it, CRISPR seems to be the most popular stock out there and being pushed up by the retail crowd. CRISPR, Lexicon, and Joust, while I am positive on it, I like Corcept Therapeutics the best overall. So in summary, looking at the websites and stuff, they say that CORT is a buy at 28 and will go up. I'm saying I'd like to wait till 25, 26, 27. It looks like, based on my zigzag, that the stock will continue to rise, and I need to buy this on a pullback. So we're waiting for an RSI single or an MACD single, and we'll make this trade. I definitely want to get into CORT. Buy at $25 to $27. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. They'll get better as I get more familiar with the technology, and quite frankly, I need to organize just a little better. I'm learning as we go. Thank you. Also, I want to add that each of you have to do your own due diligence, much like I'm doing. It doesn't have to be great, just enough so that you know what you're doing and what you're buying and why you're buying it.